For years, the golden rule of content writing was keeping readers on your page. We wrote long, narrative-heavy blog posts, burying the main point deep in the text to build suspense. Today, that exact strategy is actively destroying your search visibility. Modern search engines no longer index pages the way they used to. They are driven by AI bots, and these bots do not read for narrative arc. They scan specifically for hard, extractable data points. To survive this shift, you have to use a method called chunking. Chunking is a way of formatting your web pages so that large language models can instantly isolate and cite your exact content. Let's put this into practice right now. Open up your content management system and find your most text-heavy, lowest-performing blog post. Adapting to this machine-readable formatting is the only way your brand's content will survive the transition to generative AI search. To fix your post, you need to understand how AI reads. Large language models, or LLMs, are AI systems trained on massive amounts of text to generate human-like responses. They ingest data using token limits. These are small fragments of characters that the model processes in batches. Instead of reading an entire page at once, they process text in small increments, about 300 to 500 tokens at a time. If your blog has a traditional 300-word opening filled with scene-setting filler, the AI crawler struggles. As it processes empty phrases, extraction confidence plummets. Reaching the factual answer buried at the bottom, it hits its token limit, cutting off and abandoning the extraction entirely. Writing for a human reader's narrative journey actively destroys the machine's ability to extract and cite your information. Step 1 in our rewrite is fixing your subheadings. Scroll through your document and delete any subheadings that are vague, clever, or abstract. You must replace them with a specific rule. Your new H2 must be a direct question. It needs to exactly match what a user would type into a search prompt. Using this conversational phrasing creates a one-to-one semantic link. When a user asks an AI assistant a question, the model looks for that exact phrasing to anchor its response. Exact query matching acts as a target lock, guiding the AI's retrieval system directly to the section containing your answer. Immediately beneath that new H2, write an answer payload. This is a strictly factual, direct response that follows your heading, with absolutely no introductory filler. You have a strict limit. Cap this payload at a maximum of 60 words and aim for an ideal target of exactly 50 words. Start the very first sentence with a clear definition. If the heading asks what a specific tool does, the first sentence should state exactly what that tool is and its primary function. To maximize entity density, eliminate vague pronouns. Words like it or this are ambiguous to machines. Use explicit proper nouns, packing recognizable concepts into a single block that makes logical sense even when completely isolated from the document. Combining a strict length limit with high entity density forces the AI to extract your brand's exact definition with maximum statistical confidence. Once your payload is set, the AI crawler looks for information gain. This is unique, supporting evidence, like original data or expert quotes, providing new value beyond what the model already knows. Take the evidence you used to bury in long paragraphs and reformat it. Place it immediately below your payload using structured HTML lists, bullet points, or small data tables. When the AI crawler hits this structured formatting, it doesn't have to guess the relationships between concepts. It easily maps the supporting data points directly to your payload. Pairing a direct payload with structured supporting data converts your content into a verified citation the AI can actively utilize. Look at this visual comparison. Your old post was a dense, unbroken wall of text that exhausted human readers and confused bots. Your new draft is a cleanly structured block of answers. Modern content must be optimized for machine extraction, not for human patience. Here is your final step. Log into your CMS, identify your top 5 highest traffic informational pages, and retrofit them using this exact chunking template. Mastering this chunking architecture ensures that your brand becomes the default answer in the new era of generative search.